Hello, and welcome to my cooking show.
Yay!
I can't fucking stand. Right, today we're making, what's this even called? Toast with jam. Carla's filming me because I might have googled how to make toast and jam, and she thinks I'm gonna mess this up.
No, I don't think you will.
I think you'd be surprised. First, you need a plate.
No, wait, what was your main concern?
Well, my main concern is I know you have to put it in the toaster, unless that's horribly wrong. But do you put the butter and then the jam, or the jam and then the butter?
Okay.
Or do you do half jam, half butter? That's what we'll do. I'll do half jam, butter, and half butter jam.
Have you ever had, like, toast with butter and jam before?
It's been a while. I don't remember. I'm panicking. It's just I messed up making oatmeal the other day, and now I'm second guessing everything.
Yeah, but the oatmeal problem, I will blame the people who made the instructions, because they said up until the line, and there was no line.
Do I cut the crust off first, or
I don't know. I don't think it matters though.
does it fit? You got two big bread. Well, you put the bread in the toaster, and then you.
It didn't work.
Oh shit! It's
Try it.
lit up though.
Try
It's hot. Wait. Oh no.
Okay, try again.
We'll cut the crust off. Or you could maybe fold it, but we won't do that. We'll just.
Okay.
That was a horrible noise. Is that gonna fit?
Maybe, try.
Is my wig blue? It fit. Do you want a snack?
Not really.
To the jam! Our fridge is far away from our kitchen for some reason. Now, I bought this itty bitty jam. Isn't it adorable?
Very
How
cute.
small it is.
Our neighbors are still up.
No stocking on it. Tessa, your hair's still here. For this recipe, you need bread, jam, and butter. This is technically margarine because I am lactose intolerant. And this is strawberry. Wait, I don't know. Like, what if I twist?
Jam unboxing.
Ew.
Wow.
Oh, that was some ASMR. I did not enjoy that sound, but I'm sure someone did. Isn't that good?
Yeah, it smells like strawberry jam.
Yum.
And now we wait.
Now we wait.
Try to decide on the order of the jam and the butter.
Right, I think it makes more sense for it to be butter and then jam.
You think so?
Yeah, because then it's like, you know when you do your makeup, you do like the foundation and then the eyeshadow.
That makes
Like
sense.
the butter is the base of this masterpiece.
But what if you want to taste more the butter than the jam though?
I'll just put a lot. Oh, it's hot. Ow. Okay, so we're gonna do. Should I cut it in half? Okay, we'll do jam, butter.
I thought you had decided on the order.
Well, I was gonna do half one way and half the other to see which one's better. Or should I just do it all with my gut?
You do you.
I'm just gonna do it all butter.
Okay.
Well, not all butter. I'll do butter and then jam. This counts as cooking, right?
Sure.
I'm making it myself.
But what level of skill would it take in The Sims to make this?
I think, maybe it's a quick meal.
Exactly.
I feel like
And how much level does that take? Exactly.
I feel like what is that called? I feel like it took like longer to make than I should have. Okay, and now the jam.
Wow.
Yeah, this was the right order, probably.
I'm so proud of you.
I don't think there were any rules, really. But you definitely put butter on, right? Because it'd be gross if it was just bread and jam.
Not really, but it's better with butter, I guess.
Hope so.
What do you mean, let's hope so?
I have to eat it. I can't throw it out. What if it's horrible?
Then, poor kids in Africa, you're wasting their food.
Comment down below what song is your jam at the moment. That's enough jam.
Wow, you're cooking.
I'm underimpressed.
Why?
The bread is really dry. I kind of brought the ball.
No, you didn't. That's perfect.
It's really dry.
Like, comment, and subscribe.